Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you how I managed to get an auto clicker on my iPhone. If you've been using iOS devices for a while, you probably know that auto clickers aren't typically available for them. However, I've discovered a method that works, and the best part is that you can do this on the newest iOS without having to jailbreak your device. So let's dive right in. On my iPhone, you can see that I have the Auto Clicker 2.0 app installed, along with the game Tap Titans, which I'll use to demonstrate how the auto clicker works. First, let's open up the auto clicker app. Here it is, and you can see the interface offers several settings, including single target and multi-target modes. You can also customize each mode to perform exactly how you want it to. Now let's move over to Tap Titans. As you can see, the game is already running, and the auto clicker is clicking away without me having to touch anything. This is incredibly useful because it can save you a lot of time on various tasks, whether it's for games like Tap Titans or other repetitive tasks on your phone. Alright guys, if you want to get this auto clicker on your iPhone, keep watching this video. I'll show you the entire process step by step so you can have it up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Auto Clicker and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry. This step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.